right, guys. Welcome. Good morning, I would say. Good morning, good morning. I forgot to tell you guys if you haven't already subscribed, subscribe if you want to. It doesn't matter if you do. Um, damn. Um, anyways, yeah, that doesn't matter. I really don't care about the subscribers or the likes or really anything about that. I just care about giving value here. If I get subscribers, it is what it is. If I don't, it is what it is. So obviously when we were looking at gold last night, because today is the 5th, Friday the 5th, we were right here in this little box right here. This is where we were trading at. As you guys can see, price kind of broke above this zone right here, but in a very ugly format. A very ugly format. Right? If you go down to the 5 minutes, all you see is yeah. Excuse me. On the 4 hour, you see, oh, you could have taken a nice trade right there, but the fluctuation within that 4 hour, see on the 5 minute was ridiculous. Up and down, up and down, up and down. Really, no way to really that's an easy, swift move. So I feel like it's really doing this due to the fact that there's NFP, and usually when there's NFP price on gold, usually tends to, chill for a little bit before NFP comes in, like an hour and a half, I believe. Let's see. We already looked at the news, so we don't have to go over that calendar. Day, Friday, November 5th, 8:30 exactly. 8:30. So yeah, I'm trying to see if what I'm like, what's the word? What from what I'm expecting, right? Because we came above this area, right? And just like if we did here, we literally closed below here, right? So we could even put another zone in right here. Seriously, put in another zone, right? So now price, so price broke above, right? Broke above, and then closed right back into this range that we're in here right now. So honestly, just to make things easier, alright, just to make things easier, let's do this. Let's get that out of the way. Yeah, let's get that out of the way. Just focus on this resistance right here. Alright, yeah, that makes a lot more sense. Yeah, I like that. I don't even know what I'm gonna put there because if you do take buys above, it's gonna be hard as hell to take buys above unless NFP freaking numbers come out horrible for not the NFP, right? So say they come out negative, then that's going to tell us, okay, we're going to go straight through the zones with volume because that's usually what happens. Gold, if you ever studied gold, gold moves through the consolidation zones in big moves. Look at all of this consolidation right here. Not necessarily consolidation, but it's just like choppy price action is the best way to put it. Right? And look how gold moves straight down through there. I'm pretty sure this was a news event, or a news report that was released. So that's something to keep in mind. So if news numbers come out negative, that's definitely something to watch out for. Um, but as I was saying yesterday, if news comes out as expected, which they're negative, right? If it comes out as expected, we will initiate a stop loss right here and just let it ride. Literally let it friggin' ride. I think personally, this is risky, right? This is very risky. You shouldn't be trying this at all. You shouldn't be. I mean, if you don't know anything about it, you shouldn't be trying this at all. But I've given it a couple of you know, hits already on NFP, so I'm kind of aware of what to do and what not to do. So it's very risky because I can have a buy stop and I can get a sell stop, and both of them could get activated, and then I'm like managing both of them. You know what I'm saying? And by managing both of them, I mean closing both of them. But in the past with the NFP, I've either put a sell stop or a buy stop, and it's triggered one and then it's continuing in that direction. And I barely hold that trade for like 2 seconds, 3 seconds. Like it moves so fast, it's so quick, and so much, I would say, that it just, it's best to just take the profits that you get and then call it a day from there. But I really, really want um sells here, man. I really want sells here. As you guys can see, this 4 hour broke below this previous 4 hour now. We're rejecting, you know, I believe it's still, yeah, for it to be out, yeah, it's like I explained yesterday, for it to be out of this like bearish market structure here on the semi higher time frames, right? We would need for it to break above 1808, I believe. We would definitely need to break it to 1808. So yeah, man. Really, that's really about it. Um, Price is coming down as of right now, honestly. I mean, if we could take some trades before NFP, I'm pretty sure that's okay too. Like, obviously, that's okay. If we do start breaking below here, definitely probably go on the 5 minute and take that. And if we get a really good profit in there, then we get a good profit in there, and then we call it a day. Or we just go with NFP like on a small ass lot size. I don't know. All right, so here we go. Is GJ? GJ really hasn't done anything. All the volume was yesterday. I mean, golly. I mean, I remember I was here yesterday on the 4 hour, and it just like still looks like it's in the same place. Yeah, like I was like, we were looking at the markets when this candle was open right here. So it seems like it just broke out of this range. Maybe now it's gonna go back to retest it. Right, go back to retest the range. So maybe we should get rid of this. Get rid of that. I don't know what. Let's see if I can put this here just to see if it's gonna break or retest. Yeah, that's really it, man. Oh, I'm yawning like crazy. My bad. That's really it. Expected it to continue going bearish because market structure is bearish on all time frames. So yeah, this one weekly candle just did it in 1 week, almost 300 pips. Daily already broke the low, the previous low. So if we do get a pullback up to this level, come down, this is a pretty good range, 80 pip range. So we might take a look at GJ here. But that is the analysis. If we do get a setup before NFP, you damn well, I can't even talk right now. Damn well, I'm gonna take that basically, is what I'm trying to say. If we do get a setup for NFP. But today's main focus is NFP, right? Let's see if we dig ourselves into a deeper hole, or if wow, this thing is freaking breaking down right now. Or see if we can get ourselves out of this hole. So, all right. It's mad early. It's 7:16 in the morning. You have like an hour and a half, hour and 20 minutes. Um, so yeah, I will talk to you guys then. All right, guys. So it is 2 minutes until mother freaking NFP. I am nervous as hell. I'm only still doing a sell stop. If it does a buy, it's okay. I'll just get in later on once the trend starts going. But I do feel like a sell stop at 17.905, which is right below this wick, should work. Um, and yeah, man, just really waiting. I'm going to place it. Should I place it right now? Uh, let's see. 40, 40 seconds. Whew, I am nervous. We have like a 40 pip stop, so if it does come back on us, we'll only be losing like $2,000. Usually I don't do stop losses on sells on sell stops, but I'm trying this out. So let's see how it works. 17, 16, 15, 10 seconds left. Okay, placing it. Have my cursor right here. Let's see what happens. Got activated. Was that a $500 loss? Yeah, I really didn't like that, so I just took a $500 loss. Really didn't like that, actually. Yeah, that was horrible. Usually it doesn't retrace like this. Usually it just, yeah, I mean, if it continues going down, it continues going down, but it is what it is. Oh, there it is. Continue going down. Can we still get on this trade? Wow. No, why did I close, bro? Oh my fucking gosh. Why did I close? Wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 wow. A lot of people got this, except me. You guys see, I'm clicking on like different freaking stuff, dude. Oh man. I had sell stops right about here. Would have made a quick 50 pips. Okay, guys, now that I'm a little bit settled down or whatnot, let's take a look at the freaking news. All right, so unemployment change. This don't matter. This kind of stayed the same as forecasted. Non-farm unemployment change. Good numbers for the U.S. Really good numbers for the U.S. Really good numbers, so it made sense for gold to drop. But see this fucking, oh my god, what? I mean, initially you could. I'm not gonna say, oh, this move was invalid because people, who held this and who had the balls to hold this made like a good 50 pips. I didn't have the balls. I used the 5 lot and I closed at negative 10 pips because usually in my experience trading NFP, once it goes, it goes. It doesn't retrace. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't. It never does that little retracement thing, right? So once that thing goes, that thing goes. So as soon as my sell stop got activated and it started to retrace back into this range, I was like, oh, hold up, hold up, hold up. You know what I'm saying? Like, let me just wait. Let me, I was destined to lose $2,000, and like I know I've been saying this on every single video. Oh, I was supposed to do this, but I only did this. You know what I'm saying? And it's like, damn, Carlos, when are you actually gonna get a win? You know what I'm saying? A win that's over $1,000, or shoot, even over $500. Like, yeah, don't get me wrong, I know. Um, but I'm preserving capital. I'm preserving capital. We're only down $3,000. That's 1.5%, 1.6% of our account. So it's all good. I mean, look at this. Oh my goodness, dude. Wow. That is amazing. So I preserved my capital. Was supposed to lose 2,000. Lost almost $600, which is like 11 pips. You know what I'm saying? Like nothing too big. You know what I'm saying? Nothing too big. Um, But yeah, man, that's it. That's really it. Didn't feel comfortable. Took out. You guys see my entry right here, and then I got out right here, and then now look at what the gold is doing. So I'm thinking this was just a liquidity grab towards the downside for whatever reason. I mean, the news came out positive for USD, so gold should be go. I don't know. I don't know. What we have to do is we have to wait for this new 4 hour close, wait for things to kind of settle down a little bit, and then see where we could take entries. It's still Friday, so You know, the market will show its true colors after the news hype and all that stuff has gone away. And yeah, man, really, that's really it. So as you guys see, price came all the way down and then broke its high, and now it's going all the way up. Some people actually took um the flip of the candle. I mean, you would have made 30. That's fucking risky, dude. Oh my gosh. Anyways, there it is. That's NFP. Sad that I wasn't able to show you guys my wins on my wins. My win streak on NFP has ended. My 2 win streak. All right, 2 months in a row. Come on now. But I didn't lose that much, so I'm not even tripped up about it. You know, it is what it is, and yeah, it is what it is. So, if there's any other setup or whatever the case, you guys already know, I'm going to show you guys. So, yeah. Okay, guys, so I did take this trade here on GJ. Main reason is, you guys see market structure. Obviously, we have this form of support, or previous support, now being seen as resistance. Market structure is all the way down, or bearish, I would say, on all time frames on GJ. This was just essentially a pullback, just potentially continue going further down. Took this trade with a 10 lot, however, um, I did take 80% off because it was about to flip bullish. So I'm only using a 2 lot as of right now. Lost like 245 on there. It is what it is. Really expecting this to continue going down, especially with NYSE in 20 minutes. And yeah, so if I lose this trade, I lose another 300, and that'll just be it for the day. Really feel my psychology is wearing down. I don't feel focused. I don't feel, I just don't feel right. I think the losing streak is getting to me, whatever it is. But I just don't feel right now, to be honest. Like, it's really messing with my psychology right now. I think that gold trade that I took right here, that even though it worked out, is really just messing with my psychology. I don't know what it is, but yeah, if it does work, it works. If not, then we are destined to lose. How much today? We are destined to 600. Let's see, 590 plus 245 plus. Let's see. Can I see what's on here? I think it's like another 300, so like 1100 bucks for the day total. Um and yeah, really we're down 3.2k now. We're like good 1.6, 1.7% on the account. We do win this trade. We will win like 300 bucks. Really expecting this trade to go down though. All the way down to, let's see, I would say 152, 300. If it happens, it happens, but I don't I wouldn't put it past them if it doesn't happen. I wouldn't put it past GJ if it doesn't happen. So, like I said, nothing really on gold. Rejected it, came back, it's still within this range, and now we're just really just waiting. So, we'll see what happens. Alright, guys, so I did end up closing my position here. I just didn't like how this 15-minute was forming, plus it turned the current 30-minute candle bullish. As I said, psychology is really wearing down right now. I mean, last time I had a winning trade, I think it was this week. It was this week, but it was like ass. You know what I'm saying? I do say, keep your losses small. And I've definitely kept my losses small. With all these losses, and I'm only down 1.7, 1.6%. That's pretty impressive. But it's like, damn, what am I doing wrong? What am I doing wrong? Like, see, now that I closed it, now it's coming back down, right? And watch it just continue to push down. All right, if we just put this down here, let's see if we can put these on the chart. Right. That was our original take profit, and watch it just continue to push down now. It is what it is, man. I think I'm just gonna, yep, look at that. Yo, I just don't, I don't know. I really don't. I really don't know. It is what it is, though, man. I'm gonna get off the charts now. It is what it is. It's like I'm right there to making profits. It's just I don't make profits. Like I'm right about everything. I was right about my sell stop. Right, I was right about my sell stop. Got out, lost. I was right about this trade, lost. Like at this point, bro, it's just like whatever. You know what I'm saying? Next week is another week. I just have to really prepare. So it is what it is, bro. I will see you guys on Monday. I think it's the 8th. So I'll see you guys on Monday the 8th. All right, have a good weekend. Hope you guys stay safe. And yeah, this thing is running pretty swell now. It's running pretty swell. 8 pips. It is what it is. All right, guys.